Hi everyone, I'm Gian Cordova. I'm one of the first two owners of the SmartCap canopy here in the Philippines for Hilux Revo. Alright, and now we're going to unbox this shit. What? Oh, tanggalin ko ba yun? Tanggalin ko ba yun? Sorry.
Bagay naman sa bad
Alex, what's happening here?
We're installing one of the best canopies in the Philippines.
Dapat iniwan mo, the best!
Oh, hindi din mo. Dahil mo din sa akin.
Alex, what's happening here?
Hey, we're installing the best canopy here in the Philippines. SmartCap.
Dapat in the world.
Doon ulit! Tapos hindi ko alam.
Alex, what's happening here?
Hey, we're installing one of the best canopies in the world. RSI SmartCap. Sakto na. Sabihin niya.
RSI Smart Canopy EVO for Hilux Revo. Bad boy sagad approved.